BittyBrush. Hi, today we will draw a taxi. Wheel. The second wheel. Headlights. The window. Taxi checkers. Let's paint the taxi yellow. Very good. We'll paint the wheels black. The headlights are orange. What a beautiful taxi turned out! Subscribe to the BittyBrush channel.